Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am M.N.R and I am from state of Odisha. Without wasting any time in unnecessary things and talks, I will straightforward stick to the main point. This public speaking online course was suggested to me by my tuition teacher, and she only sent me the link and motivated me to enroll into this online public speaking course. So I thought that if teacher had sent, then it would be beneficial. I also thought that there is no harm in trying also. And I am also interested in learning new things, so I enrolled into this course. But after enrolling into this course was very much beneficial to me. Now I would like to throw light upon my experience about this public speaking online course. Friends, I want to tell you that my experience was very good. This public speaking online course is very much interactive, interesting, fantastic, and very much outstanding also. It is very much useful and beneficial for every one of us. By attaining this public speaking online course, now I think in future I have now I think that I have overcome my stage fear, and my self confidence is also boosted. Now, if I talk about the video quality of the videos of the public speaking online courses, the video quality is also very much good. Not only the video quality, but also the audio qualities are also very much good. Both the video quality and the audio quality of the videos in these online courses are excellent in quality. No one can ever complain about the quality of the video or the audio. Now, if I come upon the teaching style of sir, now if I come upon the teaching style of sir, then friends, I'll tell you uh, uh, the most important thing which I liked in this public speaking course is the teaching style of MAMIDI NARESHH sir. Uh, the outstanding part in this public speaking online course the the explanation part of is the explanation part of Naresh sir. The explanation part of Naresh sir is very much outstanding and is very much interesting. Sir clarifies all the points in a very good and a clear manner. Sir's teaching style is very much good and very much excellent that hardly any student will be having any doubt in any of the points. But I am not having a doubt, as because I found it very much interesting and very much clear. Now, friends, lastly, I would end by suggesting every one of you to enroll into this public speaking course, as because this is very much beneficial and useful for every one of us. So, friends, I, along with Naresh sir, assure you that after enrolling into this public speaking course, you will overcome your stage fear and your self confidence, and it will also boost your self confidence. And in future, most of the persons can become a public speaker. Thank you. Have a great day.